Hello guys, welcome to Chorus Class YouTube channel. Here in this video I'm going to explain sixth question in our chorusclass.com website. So here you can see on screen what is the sixth question. In which month the max volume of stocks getting purchased? Compare with all the years and fetch best month out of all time. So here what I'm asking, I'm using Chorus Class database, and I have already imported the data Morningstar file, and I'm using select star from this Morningstar underscore inc. So here you can see the data. I'm asking best month out of all time. That means, so in 2005 you can see the volume here. So in 2005 in May and 4th May, this much volume got purchased, this many stocks got purchased in this particular date. So I'm asking max volume of stocks getting purchased. So in which month max volume of stocks got purchased? First we need to find year wise what is the best month, what is the max volume got purchased in that particular years. So we need to find that one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a max of volume comma year. I'm going to find year wise first. So here year of date from this table Morningstar, and I'm going to mention group by. I'm going to give alias name this one as year and this one is max volume. So I'm going to do a group by year wise, and I'm executing this statement. So we got max volume year wise. In 2005 this many got purchased on a particular date or particular month. Okay, so like this I have got from 2005 to 2023. So we got a max volume year wise, but I want to find the best month, right? So if we want to find the month, so here what I'm going to do is select month. Sorry, I'm going to take a month name here, month name of date from this Morningstar table, where here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take year of date here, comma sorry, year of date should be second one, so I'm taking this max of volume. Okay, I'm taking volume here, comma year of date in, I'm taking this entire query as a subquery, and I'm going to give alias name. And if I execute this statement, what is the error? SQL version right syntax. Oh sorry, we don't need to take alias name, that is not a subquery, sorry. So here you can see we got all the months here, September, October, 2 times. So we got the best month. So I want to fetch the year, then you can get some idea. So year of date, executing. So in 2005 the max volume got purchased in the month May, in 2006 June, in 2007 August, and like this we got all the years 2023 up to 2005 to 2023. So we got all the months here. So these are the best months in this particular year. So in 2005 May is the best month. So in the May we got max number of volumes got purchased, max number of stocks got purchased. So in 2006 June is the best month, in 2007 August is the best month. So like this we got, right? But we need to find like which month got repeated more number of times. So what I'm going to do is I don't need this year here. I'm going to take a count of star. I'm going to give alias name best month. So here what I'm going to do is I'm taking group by best month. So if I execute this statement, so here you can see we got the count. So May only one time, June 2 times, August 1 time, February 4 times, December 2 times. So like this we got the count. Here we can do one thing. Here if you mention order by, I'm going to take alias name as a CNT for this count, order by CNT, descending order. If you put like this, then we got February as a best month because like 4 times it got repeated. So we can do like a concatenate thing. So I'm taking the entire name sorry, entire query as a subquery, select. Here we have to do concat. So I'm asking output like this, right? Best month. I'm just copying this one and I'm pasting it here, and I'm giving space. So here April, we should get April. Here I'm taking comma, so this is the best month. I'm mentioning that one. Okay, from this one, I'm giving alias name for this, and I'm executing the statement. So best month is February. Best month is February. Best month is June. So we got everything. So I forgot to mention the limit here. Limit 1. So here we got best month is February. So we got an answer, but here the problem is there could be like February four times repeated, right? So like the same thing, like maybe some other month may repeated like a 4 times, same number of times. But if we put a limit 1 here, only February will get fetched. For example, in June it gets repeated like 4 times, but it won't fetch, right? So this is the wrong one. This is, even if we mention this query in my website, it will work, because there is only one month 4 times repeated, right? But this is not the correct one, so you should not mention limit here. I'm taking this query here. So what will happen if I execute this one? So we got this many count, right? So here what I'm doing is select a max of CNT. I'm taking from this entire subquery. I've given so we got a count here. So what we need to do is we need to fetch that max count only. So I'm taking this entire subquery here. I'm taking select star from this query. Okay, so I'm taking it as B alias name, and where CNT is equals to, I'm taking this query here. So like this, if I execute this statement, here you can see we got only February and the count 4. So I don't need that count, right? So I'm going to mention this the entire concat here. So if I execute this statement, best month is February. So if we write like this, then if there could be like a more number of months with the same count, right? So then those months also we can fetch. Okay, so like this we need to fetch the output, and also the output field name. Here you can see the concat of best month. So this is not the output name that I have mentioned in the question. So here output will be best month is April, and I'm asking fetch month. So that means you need to give alias name month for this one. And if I execute this statement, and you can see the month here, and best month is February. So like this you can see, if I'm asking like this should be in capitals, then you need to mention upper here, upper of best month. If I execute this one, best month is February. So like this we need to write a query in our website. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I will post the remaining questions answers also in this YouTube channel, so make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.